hits the smooth surface. An angle at which hits the surface is called the angle of incident. The angle of incident is basically equal to the angle at which the angle is called. Good morning, my name is Nafia and I am from class 6A and my model is about the potato vessel. You can see that the light is glowing up, but it is not clear because of the sunlight. This works because of the white phosphoric acid SCPO4 in the potato, which allows the ions to flow freely. But because of the zinc and copper plate, there are generating electric energy and this. Thank you. Ma'am, I am the basic of class 6th and my topic is infinite camera. Camera is an optical instrument. It is used to capture still images. Good morning, I am Asha, the first student of class 6th and my topic is lungs. Lungs. Our lungs are the pair of spongy, pit-case gray. My name is Priya Jodhri. I study in class 4. My model is layers of atmosphere. The first layer is. My name is Pawan Singh. The name my model is rain gauge. It is an instrument to measure the rainfall. Rainfall can be measured in millimeter or centimeter. It consists of a plastic bottle and funnel. Funnel collects rainwater when it is kept in open space. The scale gives the amount of water collected in the bottle, and this the rainfall on that particular day. Thank you. My name is Arnav Jain and the principle behind my project is magnetism, and I am going to present a magnetic string in front of you. For the required materials are cardboard sheet, magnets, thread.
My name is Sarthak Purohit and my name of model is robot and model. This works on the bones and muscles. Thank you. Lemon bat simply battery that uses the chemical reaction of the lemon to produce energy forms. When it is short,
it's glowing. Good.
Good morning everyone. This is Earth's gravitational force. It works by two poles and some magnets. It tells us about that Earth's gravity pulls the moon towards it. Good morning ma'am. My name is Naksh. This model shows the dispersions of light. When a beam of white light passes from air through a prism or the transparent object like drop of water, it splits up into a band of 7 colors. This band of 7 colors called spectrum or rainbow. This is called dispersions of light.
Good.
Good morning, ma'am. I am Shrestha Pathak of class 6 and my topic is parts of flowers. There are different types of flowers around us. Flowers have different colors, shapes and size. All the flowers have 4 basic parts: petal, sepal, pistil and stamen. This is the parts of flower: style, stigma, sepal, petal, pistil, filament and anther. Good morning, my name is Kavya from class 6B. Today my topic is about magnetic field lines. Magnetic field line is what seen with the help of iron filling. Place the white card sheet over a bar magnet and sprinkle fine iron filling and shake the card gently. Thank you. Good morning, I am Samya Panur of class 6B, here to present my model and my topic is different body systems. This is the first layer, epidermis, also known as skin. It fights against the foreign substances. Then we have our nervous system. It includes the complex network of nerves and brain. This is our muscular system. It is an organ system in which it allows for movement, posture and circulation. These are ribs. Ribs are teeth-like structure which protects
body. These are lungs, which are respiratory organs, and it helps in exchange of gases. This is digestive system, which take food and break down them so that body gets energy and waste products are removed from the body. This is skeletal system. It is body support structure. It includes bones, skull and spine. This is heart. It is a muscular organ which pumps the blood throughout the body. This is skull. It is a bony structure which protects the brain. This is the brain which controls all the activities of the body. Thus all the parts work together to function the body. Thank you.
Morning, sir. My name is Arvind Sharma from class 5th. My topic is wheel and axle. It is the type of simple machine. A wheel alone is not a machine. It becomes a simple machine with attached rod called axle. A wheel with a rod attached to it is known as wheel and axle arrangement. It used in all the vehicles and other machines. Example: screwdriver, agitator, etc.
जब आप बोल
Myself, Himanshi Shan from class 5E. My project is Solar Oven. It is a device that uses sunlight as a source of heat for cooking stuffs. The solar oven is a simple, portable, economical and efficiency tool. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. I am here from class 5th B. My topic is engine. It like the door of hinge of the door.
Morning, I am Vanshi from class 5th. Today is science exhibition and my topic is physical change and chemical change. Pencil and cracked pencil. Candle and melting candle. Rubber and paper, best paper. Matchbox and best matchbox. Stick and
Rusted.
step.
So these are all chemical change.
Yes.
Burning of paper, burning of matchstick, dusting of iron. Good.
How we receive and send in our body through the web of nerves in our body. Neurons are cells that send and receive messages away. Neurons are cells that send and receive electrical and chemical signals to communicate with other parts of the body. They have three main parts: an axon and dendritic.
This is the process by which plants make their food and extra food for us. During the process of photosynthesis, plants take sunlight, carbon dioxide, water, mineral to make their food. Oxygen and water vapor are given out by sometimes do not do photosynthesis. They take their nutrition from animals such as respiratory system. This is the process by which take in oxygen and release carbon dioxide. My model is based on respiratory system. When we pulled out the injection, the lungs exhale air, and when we push the injection, the lungs inhale air. We have 5 major nutrients in our body: fats, protein, vitamins, minerals, carbohydrates.
Project of
This is project of types of soil.
this one is which soil?
Red soil,
This one?
clay soil,
Clay soil. Okay, good.
Good morning everyone. My name is Mohammad Ashfan Ali from class 3rd A. This is a skeletal system. The backbone helps us to support us. The knee supports the leg. The elbow supports the elbow supports the hand, and the skull protects the brain, and the ribcage protects the lung and heart. My name is Kushi Punani. This is plant. These
will show germination of seed. A seed is covered with two layers. Seed coat, seed covering seed coat protect the seed is called germination of seed.
I follow class 11th A and क्या बोल रहे हैं मैंने इसे पता नहीं यार.
Start.
Good morning, ma'am. I am Aradhya Saraswat of class 5th. Today I would like to talk to you on beautiful hills, Western Ghats. Western Ghats are hills that are rich in plant and animal species. They are being destroyed by us humans. We are cutting down trees and building cities and roads. Many efforts are being made to save the hills, but they are not enough because we all have to give our part by not pelting the environment.
Good morning, ma'am. This is the working model of human heart, and this one is oxygenated blood and deoxygenated blood. This one is superior vena cava and this one is inferior vena cava. Both organs collect the deoxygenated blood from upper and lower part and take it to the right atrium. Then it is taken to the right ventricle, and through the aorta it is taken to the lungs for purification. Thank you.
Make it working. How blood flows?
This is the working model of neuron. Messages are traveling from cell body to nerve ending. This is nucleus. It stores genetic material. This is mitochondria. It is known as the powerhouse of the cell. This is Golgi complex. It provides lipid molecules. There are 3 types of neuron.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Dimple Bhandarkar. I am from 11th Science, and this is a model of projectile motion. Projectile motion is defined as it is a motion in which we can throw any object under the influence of gravity, and it helps us to understand how the gravity affects the trajectory of model.
Ma'am, I am Jasmeet Kaur with my co-partner Livjot Kaur from 11th.
Louder.
So this is water distillation. So I will give you the basic introduction of this. Water distillation is a process that produces pure water by boiling point and its evaporation and condense. The process of distillation begins with boiling of a liquid at different boiling points. Then the water evaporates, and this evaporate water then convert into vapor. Then this vapor is passed through the pipes, and this pipes condenses a water at a lower temperature, and this forms the water distillate. Thank you. The blood gets purified by millions of subunits of kidneys called nephrons, and the purified blood is sent back to body parts. Urine is collected in urinary bladder and finally gets eliminated through urethra.
बोलो.
इसमें 30 इसमें भी 30.
Cardiac muscle present in heart. Smooth muscles present in stomach, skeletal muscles in legs and arms.
Good morning, ma'am. Myself Al Chupad.
Myself Sakshi Sisodia.
DNA deoxyribonucleic acid is a double-headed stranded structure which carries genetic information about us.
It is made up of strands which wind around each other to form double-helix structure.
It is made up of 4 molecules: adenine, thymine, guanine, cytosine. Adenine always bound with thymine. Guanine always bonds with cytosine. The genetic information is carried by the bonds, as you can see here.
Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Sesha Khatik of class 6B, and my topic name is density of
अरे नहीं आया वो मैम. हाउ वाज द प्रोजेक्ट? कब बताएंगे? नहीं तो डेट भी नहीं. टाइम कितना हो जाएगा? टाइम हो जाएगा. पानी तो बंद हो गया था. धुआं अभी भी आ रहा है.